So after several years of good, reliable service, you now have a problem with your appliance. Well, you can have your product repaired at one of a number of service centres. It's really easy. Go to our website, Krups, or contact the experts at Krups by phone for some advice and to find your nearest repair centre. Take your product to the repair centre of your choice, or send it by post enclosing the necessary supporting documents. The repairer will carry out an initial assessment and supply you with a quote if the product is no longer under guarantee. Spare parts are available within a few days at the service centre to ensure a rapid, high-quality repair service. Your appliance is cleaned to ensure it's in perfect working order. After just a few days, you can come and collect your repaired appliance, or it will be sent back to you by post. No need to worry about the bill. Repairs work out more cost-effective than buying a new product and will be covered by a guarantee. Thanks to getting it repaired, you can now keep your appliance, which will continue to serve you for many years to come. And you will have even done your bit for the environment by avoiding unnecessary waste.